Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fit and fine. In this video, I will show you how to fix
DELL INSPIRON 14 laptop
not turning on. As you can see, I press the power button, but it's not turning on. No ampere also taking. So I remove the adapter. Then I remove this battery. And now I will check again with adapter only. So I connect the DC adapter and press the power button. It's not turning on. So let's try to fix it.
Please subscribe. Press the bell icon.
This is the motherboard number shader_Intel MB. So at first I need to check any liquid damage or burning sign in this motherboard. So first I need to carefully check. So this side look like fresh, no burning sign or liquid damage. So remove this sticker. Here also no liquid damage or burning sign. So let's check step by step. So at first I will remove CMOS battery from this motherboard. If there is no other problem in this motherboard, after remove the CMOS battery, it should be turning on. As you can see, fan not spinning, no ampere also taking. So this motherboard, it's not turning on after remove the CMOS battery. So now I will check all the required voltage step by step. So I set my multimeter in DC mode. So let's check all the required voltage is present or not. So at first I will check DC in voltage in this DC port. Okay, DC in 19 volt is present. The next voltage is DC VATOUT. Okay, 19 volt is present. Next is 3 volt and 5 volt always voltage. These two capacitor, as you can see. Okay, no 5 volt is present. Three volt also not present. So let's find out why 3 volt and 5 volt always voltage not present. So at first I will check this TPS 5122 IC and this 4 MOSFET. So let's check this IC is okay or not. This is 3 volt and 5 volt regulator IC. So I connect the adapter and let's open the schematic for this motherboard on my desktop and check step by step. As you can see, I open the schematic for this motherboard and find this IC on this schematic diagram. Okay, as you can see, this IC number TPS 51225. Set first, I need to check V in voltage for this IC, pin number 12. So let's check. Now this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, V in 19 volt is present. So next is VREZ 3 volt and VREZ 5 volt. As you can see, pin number 3 VREZ 3 volt, I mean 3D 3 volt, and VREZ 5 volt, pin number 13. So let's check. Okay, 1, 2, 3. VREZ 3.3 volt is present. Let's check pin number 13 VREZ 5 volt, 12, 13. Okay, VREZ 5 volt is not present. Okay, I checked this voltage later. Now I will check enable voltage for this IC. So let's find out which pin number is enable voltage for this IC. Okay, as you can see, pin number 20 EN1, pin number 6 EN2, both are same. Okay, let's check this voltage is present or not. Okay, this is pin number 20. Okay, as you can see, enable voltage not present. So let's find out this voltage comes from where. Okay, see here, 3V underscore 5V underscore EN. This signal, we need to find this signal. Okay, see here, okay, see here, S5 underscore enable. This signal goes to TPS 5122 IC, pin number 6 and pin number 20 for enabling that IC. So let's find out which parts make this signal. Okay, we find it. This circuit make S5 enable signal. Okay, first we'll check this circuit. See here, Q2403, this is a N channel MOSFET. Q2402, this is a P channel MOSFET. So see here, this MOSFET source is ground, drain is make, S5 underscore enable signal, gate is connect with this MOSFET gate pin, KVC underscore on. So see here, if this MOSFET gate pin is high, I mean if any voltage in this MOSFET gate pin, so this drain and source will be short to ground. If this drain short to ground, then this voltage is stop here. This voltage is not coming here, and if this voltage is not coming here, then this MOSFET cannot generate the S5 enable signal. So in this case, this type of motherboard, most common issue to getting short this P channel MOSFET. If this P channel MOSFET is short, then this MOSFET get pin makes some voltage, and this voltage come in this MOSFET get voltage, and if this MOSFET get signal is high, any voltage in this gate pin, then this drain and source will be short to ground, and this voltage stop is make S5 underscore enable signal. So at first we will check this P channel MOSFET, then change this MOSFET and see the problem solved or not. If the problem is not solved, then we will check other signal and voltage and component. So let's change or check this MOSFET, then see the result. Okay, let's find out Q2402 on this motherboard. As you can see, Q2402. So let's check all the voltage is okay or not. So at first I will check drain voltage. Okay, drain is okay. Source also okay. Let's check the gate voltage. Okay, 2.2 volt. As you can see, so this MOSFET is getting short. That's why this gate signal is high. So first I will replace this P channel MOSFET and then see problem solved or not. Okay, remove it. This is from my donor board. Okay, replace is done. Now it's time to check. Let's connect the DC adapter. So I connect, and okay, as you can see, the fan is spinning, ampere also taking. So that means this motherboard it's turning on. So let's check the voltage. Okay, 3.3 volt is present now. 5 volt also okay. Let's check the gate voltage again. Gate is 0 now. Where is the 5 volt? Also okay. Enable voltage is available now. So now I explain, when you connect DC adapter, DC mode, then this MOSFET gate should be low and drain and source should be high, and 3 volt and 5 volt will be always. When we connect battery, then this MOSFET gate will be high and drain will be low. I show you. Connect the battery and check the battery voltage. As you can see, battery voltage is okay. Now check the gate voltage. This is high. And check the drain voltage is low. And source is 3.3 volt and 3 volt suspension, 5 volt also same. Now when we press the power button, then this 3 volt and 5 volt will be created. So let's check the display is okay or not. Connect the LVDS cable and connect the DC adapter. Okay, displays okay. So thanks for watching this video.